So guys, welcome back. 2023, new year. Let's get a channel booming. So the wheels have arrived for the E30. With these wide bad boys on them. Hoping this is wide enough for the kit. These are the rears. Fronts are still to come. Tell us what you think in the comment section. And if you like them, give them a like. And remember to subscribe. Goal this year, 2023, 600 subscribers. Thank you very much. We hit 300 last year, which was our goal. Woohoo! So, BMW E30 update. So, as we've showed you, we've got some wheels. I've got the ECU and everything ready to go. Next steps is get the ECU in, get it wired, get the fuel in run for the gearbox. So it's in here hiding. Then we're gonna go play the night in this baby. M3 F80. So he's got the downpipe, stage 2 boot mode, remap, filters, about 550 brake. She flies like. Do have a couple of issues with it. Need some ABS sensors, but it won't stop us. Not too bad.
Oh, yeah, again. Find it. They're half as bad that time. It's just clearing it out, man. Driver Dave, look. We'll edit that bit out.
Another update on another toy we've got. This is the Subaru. STIRA. Spent a fucking fortune on it. Yeah, update everything. De-stickered it. It's a boot ladder. Just trying to open the fucking bonnet. Get it? No, it's on that side you got. It's like under the dasher. Under the wheel to the right. It's on like the dash to the right. There we go.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Just a bit spent on it. It's 2.1 closed deck, original engine, or original bottom end. It's got AVCS heads, it's got twin scroll turbo, front end intercooler, forged Clark sump, fucking forged pistons, forged rods, everything. I've got 10 fully adjustable racing coilovers. They're the boys. They're top racing spec coilies. Just ran it in. It's on a Cyvex. So yeah, hopefully we'll get more action in this year. Cold start on the Subaru on the go for you. Oh, it's a bit too cold start.
Is the clear boost gauge not would light up?
Okay, well.